Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make flying a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling how to check in with United Airlines in 2025. Whether you're jetting off for a business trip or a dream vacation, checking in smoothly can save you time and stress. Let's dive right in. First things first, United Airlines has streamlined their process for 2025 with even more digital options. The easiest way to check in is online. Head over to united.com or open the United app on your smartphone. Make sure it's the latest version for 2025 updates. Once you're there, log in with your Mileage Plus account or enter your booking confirmation number. If you don't have an account, it's quick to create one. Next, select your flight from your upcoming trips list. You'll see options to choose your seat, if available, and add any extras like baggage or upgrades. Hit that Check In button and follow the prompts to confirm your details. In 2025, you might even see new features like biometric verification for faster processing. Think facial recognition to speed things up. If you're on the go, the United app is a game changer. It lets you check in from anywhere, and you can store your boarding pass in your digital wallet for easy access at the airport. Speaking of the airport, if you prefer or need to check in person, look for the self-service kiosks at United's counters. Just scan your passport or confirmation code, and you'll get your boarding pass printed out. A few pro tips to remember. Always check in 24 hours before your flight to secure the best seats. Double-check your ID and travel documents, and if you're traveling internationally, ensure you have any required visas or health declarations ready. United's system in 2025 is super user-friendly, but if you run into issues, their customer service chat is available 24/7. And there you have it. Checking in with United Airlines in 2025 is simpler than ever. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the skies.